All right, I am going to show you guys how I use my bokeh overlays. So I'm going to go ahead and open up an image here on one of my overlays. And when you get the overlay collection, you're going to get 3 different sets. You have warm bokeh, you have colorful bokeh, and you have black and white bokeh, which is basically the same as all the warm ones, just in a black and white version. So this image, I think I want to go for color. So we're going to go to colorful bokeh, and let's go with number 6. Open that up. I'm going to click and drag it onto my image, line it up, and then we're going to go over to my overlays applications here and click apply overlay. Do make sure that your overlay is selected on the layer panel here. Play that. And what that's going to do is it's going to turn it to a screen mode, and then it's going to flip it around all different ways, and you can see which way you like it best. So there is how I applied it. Here's flip the other way, sideways. And obviously this wouldn't work because you can see her, she's getting cut off here. But if you ever wanted to, you could just do Command or Control T and adjust that layer and bring it to, oops, let me select it and I can show you. Control T, and you could drag it this way, which I actually kind of like that. I might go with that. That's really pretty. And you could even use it on more than one layer as well. So let's say you liked it there, and maybe you want a little bit more drama. You could do it on 2 layers, and they all have layer masks. So if you do want to remove some, just grab a black soft brush. Soft, hardness is 0. And then I'm going to have my hardness at, or not my hardness, my opacity at 100 to start, and just take it off. Obviously important areas we don't want to hide. And there you have it. And if I got really particular about this image, I might add a little bit more bokeh over here just to balance it, but this was just kind of a quick little tutorial, show you guys how you could apply them. Now another really neat little tool that I gave you guys is my adjust overlay action. And what that does is, I'm gonna go ahead and play it for you so you can see. So I'm gonna click on, let's just take that one off. I'm just gonna leave this one on here, and I'm gonna go ahead and click adjust overlay. And it's just gonna give you some different adjustments. So let's say you wanted to desaturate them a little bit, if you wanted to darken your bokeh a little bit, if you want it warmer, and if you want it cooler. So it just kind of gives you a few different special effects because every image is different and you might need to tweak it a little bit. So those are just kind of some fun little tips and tricks. And yeah, hope you have fun with these. I really love playing with them. They look awesome if you're using any studio lights, or you have any really cool prisms you're shooting through, or if you have a night scene. They're just really fun, and I just feel like they really brighten up an image. So have fun.